Hi guys, did you know you can make upward to $1,000 just by playing your phone and serving games? Yes guys, today's video I'm going to show you 4 legit work from home jobs where you can start making instant cash today. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q. I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience to your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger in today's video, guys, where I'm going to show you 4 great work from home jobs where you can start making quick cash in the comfort of your own home. Before we get to the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I want to dive straight into this video because I feel like it can help a lot of people. I know a lot of people are looking for work from home jobs, you know, especially since COVID. A lot of people don't like going to office, so this is a great solution. So let's dive straight in. So the first company we're going to talk about, number 1, is called Arise, right? Arise is clients need CX solutions that are flexible in technology that adjust with time. So this is a customer service job. So this is a customer service job that allows you to do customer service in the comfort of your own home, and it pays pretty decent. Remarkable customer experience is driven by you. You can say get started on the Rise platform. You call the shots. Our innovative technology empowers you to schedule work around your life, not the other way around. If you're looking for choice, flexibility, and freedom, register with us today. Looking for ways to break out the traditional grind as a corporate entity, become a service partner by registering your corporate entity. Let's get started. All right, so schedule work around your life, not the other way around. Have you been dreaming about running your own business and working from home and with the flexibility that comes with it? It is possible through a Rise platform. Provide customer service to the brands you love. So it looks like this company is allowing you to become your own freelancer, your own entity, your own business, customer service business. Basically, it allows you to actually use their platform to start customer service company for your own self. So you can reach out to Walmart, Target, Apple, Google, whatever company, some of the big brands, and you can start your own customer service company. Our Rise platform connects your business with the brands you love. Our innovative platform brings opportunities with Fortune 500 companies to your business, so you can provide remarkable customer service from the comfort of your own home. Take a few steps to establish your business. Check the requirements of the program you want to service through your business, and you will be well on your way to building the flexible life you want. We'll talk you through it. So we can go to register now, and you sign up with your email address, create a username, and create a password. It's pretty easy, guys, and the upward potential is enormous. You can make as much money as possible depending on how much you would charge the business and brand of your choice. This is actually a lot more interesting than I thought it was when I seen it. You know, I browsed it and I put it on the list, but this is a lot more interesting than I thought. How much revenue can the business earn? Let's click that because I know it's what everyone wants to know. Arise provides information of services rates for each program and applicable opportunity announcement. Opportunity announcements are accessed on the Arise portal by clicking the information icon on the client program of interest. Service rates are only available to business owners. Your registration on Arise platform does not mean you have an employment or contractual relationship with Arise. Arise has a business relationship with the business entity. Like I said, using the Arise platform, therefore Arise pays the business. Arise does not pay individuals who work for such businesses. The compensation arrangement made between you and the service provider you work for are between you and the such business. So that's what I love about this, is that you have your own opportunity to make your own negotiations with these businesses. And this is not just a typical work work from home job, this is an opportunity for you to build a book of business in the comfort of your own home and make as much money as you and the brand that you decide to partner with actually can come up with. The compensation arrangements made between the service partner and agents working with the service partner are solely between them. So they're basically saying if you get a contract with Google or Apple or Target, the contractual arrangement that you have is between them two, you two, and they will walk you through how to build how to get the contracts, how to reach out to the brands, and how to you actually use their platform to do all of the calling, all of the customer service, all under one umbrella. That is a pretty cool way. Now, this is called Paidwork, right? So Paidwork is number 2, and it is an opportunity for you to actually work for a company to survey video games, things like that. So on the phone, make money online on the phone, computer, tablet, get paid wherever you are without an investment. Turn your time to profit. The flexible solution. Paidwork is a full-time or part-time job for all people from every country. You can make money on any device with access to the internet, wherever you are. You will get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. Everything under control. You can choose how you want to make money by watching videos, playing games, filling out surveys, shopping online, scanning receipts, completing tasks, and testing apps. So whether it's playing video games, testing apps, filling out some surveys, shopping online, whatever it is, you're going to basically be the test dummy before these things go live, and you're going to get paid to do it. So if you have some spare time, if you have spare time at home, or even if you are doing a job that has a lot of downtime, like a security position, you can definitely jump on this and basically double whatever you are working with the security company for the day just by putting some discretionary time to a platform like this. Collect profits by completing simple tasks. In just a month, you can earn up to $700 and withdraw directly to PayPal or bank transfer. However, there is no limit to your earnings. You can decide how much you earn, guys. So the more time you put into this, if you have time, instead of scrolling on your phone to Facebook, Instagram, you can actually be applying and using that time to actually make more bucks. How can Paidwork help you? See how having an additional income can make your life easy, increase your earnings. Whether you are on a bus, at work, or at school, you can earn money with Paidwork. Do not waste precious time. All you need is a mobile device and access to the internet, guys. This is the most simple and easiest way to make money online, and the more time that I promise you, if you put the time that you have on or that you invest into TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, and you just put it into a platform like this, you can actually make money with the time and scrolling your phone versus just doing it for free. So this is a very interesting product as well. They have some really good reviews. Someone made a review 4 hours ago making money in this help Africa to be lack of poverty. This app has easy tasks and easy way to earn to make money. 5 hours ago, this app is really good. So guys, it has really good reviews, and it is one of the easiest ways to make money online, and that is called Paidwork. Now, the third one is called Transcription Hub. Now, transcription, like a transcriber, is someone that basically transcribes text. So a Transcription Hub invites transcribers and editors to join their remote freelance transcription team. You are just 4 steps away from finding your flexible and convenient work. Get elevated. We elevate our transcribers for one-time and quality work before they get onboarded to our live transcription marketplace. So they're going to train you. Live transcriber, based on your evaluation, transcribers are rated gold, silver, or bronze, along with access to our live transcription marketplace. Flexible work, transcribers can now enjoy the freedom of working from anywhere at any time. Get paid based on the amount of work you complete. You get paid by Transcription Hub. Now, if you click this, you just fill in some generic information, and it would give you how much money you would make and things like that. Now, I do believe that you make $22 an hour on Transcription Hub. Figure that out. But I think that is also another great way for you to make money online, guys. You don't have to work at McDonald's or anything like that. You can make money in the comfort of your home. So that means if you're a single mom, you are a student, if you have downtime in your job, these are great options for you to make some extra discretionary income. And last but not least, it is called Omni Interactions, right? Omni Interactions. Let me go to the main website. Flexible remote work, real earning potential, looking for high quality remote contract work you can do from home, you're in the right place. Omni connects independent contracts with flexible, reliable opportunities while giving you control over your schedule and income. Flexible schedules, choose when and how much you work, competitive pay, know what you'll earn and how to maximize it, support the community. You're independent but never alone, unlimited potential, grow professionally and discover new strengths. So guys, this is another great opportunity. It does have opportunities in multiple countries. I see Puerto Rico, Argentina, I see Mexico. I don't know what this one is, but this is also a great opportunity. That's the Philippines. Okay, awesome. So we're gonna do, see, look, all right, so remote from home customer service between $14 to $20 an hour, and Spanish bilingual remote from home customer service rep makes up to $17 to $20 an hour. This is, like I said, another great opportunity. All you gotta do is do customer service over the phone, talk to some people, and handle whatever issues that they may be having within a company. Whatever company that you're going to work with, obviously they're going to train you on this and their standard procedures for their business, but for the most part, guys, it's pretty easy, and like I said, you are in the comfort of your own home. Join today and experience the freedom of remote work with Omni Interactions as an independent contractor and unlock flexible remote opportunities. Choose contracts that match your skills, set your own schedule, and take control of your time and income. This is pretty good. Let's listen to one.
I love the fact that I schedule my own hours. If my kids have a baseball game on a Tuesday afternoon, I just don't schedule any hours on Tuesday afternoon. If my husband is got a trip, I make sure I get off in time where I'm there for the afternoons and I'm there to get them off the buses. Same thing in the mornings. If I can work early in the morning.
Flexibility, I honestly, I am kind of not a huge go out and see people kind of person, but getting to communicate with customers and other experts.
So as you can see, guys, like these options that I've given you, other people have tried it and actually love it. I see a lot of work from home jobs and they really don't be really worth a lot, to be honest with you, but these are some very good high quality jobs options for you guys if you are interested in making legit money in the comfort of your own home. Guys, if this information has helped you at all, if you are considering this, guys, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, work for home if this is something that you are interested in, and I will send you more work from home jobs outside of the 4 that we discussed today. Matter of fact, just comment work from home jobs and I will send you more work from home jobs that you might be considering. I don't have time to talk about them today, but if you type in the comment section work from home jobs, I will send you a list of other work from home jobs as they come up, and you might be interested in those as well. Guys, if you find any information helpful, please like and subscribe. If you need any credit repair help when it comes to removing anything off your credit, go to mycreditapprove.com. If you want to schedule a phone call with me personally, the link will be in the description below. And that's all, guys. Till next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.